Assalamualaikum friends. In this video, we will discuss some important questions asked in previous years. The first question appearing on your screen is: the growth of a plant in a soilless nutrient solution is called as kitchen garden, hydroponics, aeroponics, both A and B. The right option is both A and B. This technique was developed by Julius Vansite in 1860. Next question is: magnesium is a component of hemoglobin, cytochrome, chlorophyll, hemocyanin. The right option is chlorophyll. Next question is: which among the following is involved in nitrogen metabolism? Zinc, sodium, calcium, molybdenum. The right option is option D, that is molybdenum. Next question is: the water potential of pure water is option A less than 0, more than 0 but less than 1, option C is more than 1, and option D is 0. Remember, at standard conditions, the water potential of pure water is always equal to 0. Next question is: minerals absorbed by root move to the leaf through xylem, phloem, sieve tubes, none of the above. The right option is option A, that is xylem, which helps us in the transportation of minerals. Next question is: stomata open and close due to option A is circadian rhythm, genetic clock, pressure of gases inside the livers, Turgor pressure of God cells. The right option is Turgor pressure of God cells are responsible for the opening and closing of stomata. Next question is: guttation is mainly due to diffusion, osmosis, transpiration, root pressure. The right option is option C, that is transpiration. Next question is: when a cell is fully turgid, which of the following will be 0? Turgor pressure, water potential, wall pressure, osmotic pressure. The right option is option B, that is water potential. Next question is: when water enters in roots due to diffusion, it is termed as osmosis, passive absorption, endocytosis, active absorption. The right option is passive absorption. But in most of the cases, you will see the right option is osmosis. But whenever the water is entering into the roots, the mode is always passive. So the correct option will be passive. The preference, or we can say the priority, will be going from passive to osmosis. Right? Next question is: which among the following transports quickly from older organ to young parts? That means which among the following is mobile element? That is magnesium. Next question is: the process which makes major difference between C3 and C4 plants is glycolysis, Calvin cycle, respiration, photorespiration. The right option is option D, that is photorespiration. Next question is: phosphoenol pyruvate is the primary carbon dioxide acceptor in C3 plants, C4 plants, C2 plants, succulents. What are succulents? The plants which perform CAM pathway are called as succulents. The right option is option B, that is C4 plants, in which phosphoenol pyruvate is the primary carbon dioxide acceptor. Next question is: Kranz anatomy is typical of C4 plants, C3 plants, C2 plants, CAM plants. The right option is C4 plants. Next question is: the law of limiting factors was proposed by Liebig, Blackman, Ernan, Stout. The right option is Blackman. Next question is: photorespiration is favored by high oxygen and low carbon dioxide, high carbon dioxide and low oxygen, high temperature and low oxygen, none of the above. The right option will be high oxygen and low carbon dioxide. Next question is: in C4 plants, carbon dioxide fixation is done by mesophyll cells, God cells, pith cells, lumen. The right option will be mesophyll cells. Next question is, most abundant enzyme in the world is ribosco, pappase, collagen, nitrogenase. Remember one thing, ribosco is considered as the most abundant enzyme in the world, while as collagen is considered as the most abundant protein in whole biosphere. Next question is, all enzymes of Krebs cycle occurs in mitochondrial matrix except aconitase, succinate dehydrogenase, citrate synthase, fumarase. The right option is option B, that is succinate dehydrogenase, which is also called as marker enzyme, and it is located in the inner mitochondrial membrane. Next question is, which among the following is considered as the connecting link between glycolysis and Krebs cycle? The right option will be acetyl-CoA. Next question is, in mitochondria, accumulation of protons occurs in outer membrane, intermembrane space, inner membrane matrix. The right option will be intermembrane space. Next question is, respiratory quotient is the volume of carbon dioxide evolved to the volume of nitrogen utilized. No, but the real definition of respiratory quotient is the volume of carbon dioxide evolved to the volume of oxygen utilized. Next question is, the end product of fermentation are oxygen and ethanol, carbon dioxide and acetaldehyde, carbon dioxide and oxygen, carbon dioxide and ethanol. The right option is option D, that is carbon dioxide and ethanol. Next question is, the correct sequence of electron acceptor in ATP synthesis is, the right option is option B, that is cytochrome B, C, A and cytochrome A3. Next question is, oxygen can be bioassayed by photometer, hydroponics, aeroponics, Avena colloidal curvature test. The right option is option D. Next question is, the Avena is used for bioassay of, as we know that Avena colloidal curvature test can be used for oxygenous. Here the option A, that is indole acetic acid, is the oxygen, so the right option will be option A. Next question is, the hormone responsible for apical dominance is, we know that the hormone responsible for apical dominance is indole acetic acid, that is oxygen, right? Next question is, a chemical believed to be involved in flowering is, the right option is option C, which we also call as flower hormone. Next question is, phytochrome is involved in, the right option is option B, that is photoperiodism. Next question is, lock and key theory of enzyme action was proposed by, the right option is Emil Fischer, option A. Next question is, zymogen is enzyme poison, enzyme modulator, enzyme precursor, enzyme inhibitor. The right option is option C, that is enzyme precursor. Thanks for watching.